Hello friends, welcome once again to Kilama TV. Today we are going to be unboxing some headphones of the Sennheiser brand. As you can see from here, it's called the HD 450BT wireless Sennheiser headphones. And these headphones, in this pack, we're going to be looking at what is in this pack. In this box, it comes along with the HD 450BT wireless headphones. It's got an audio cable inside, which comes with a 3.5mm jack, which you can actually plug. It works both ways. You can either plug it in, assuming you run out of charge, you can plug it in and use it analog, or you could use it wirelessly. Also in the box, you have a USB charging cable. This serves as its main charger to charge the headphones once they run out of charge, assuming you're making use of them wirelessly. And also inside there's a carry case, a small portable carry case for those who are traveling. If you're traveling long distances, or probably you're going to work, or you want to go to the gym, you can make use of your small carry case to carry your headphones. This carry case actually helps to prevent the headphones from any scratches or from dust particles, at least, and with that it helps to extend the durability of your headphones. And also inside there is a small manual. It's a guide, a quick guide on how to set up your headphones, and also a safety guide. This safety guide helps you. It comes like some kind of precautions on how to take care of your headphones. So right now we're going to be proceeding to unboxing our headphones. I'm so excited about these headphones because it's got lots of features which we're going to be talking about. So here it's the USB charging cable I was talking about. This is your USB charging cable, USB-C charging cable, and also it's a 3.5mm jack mono stereo cable, or you call it an auxiliary cable, which you plug into your headphones, and the other part goes directly to your mobile, depending on what mobile you're making use of. For those who are making use of iPhones, most especially version 8 or version 10 and above, it doesn't have this port, so you might probably need to use it wirelessly. For those who are making use of iPhone 6 and below, or Android phones, you can then make use of this. Assuming you run out of charge, you can always make use of this cable. So we're going to be unboxing the headphones right now. First, I'm going to be removing the carry case. This is the carry case I just mentioned a little while ago. This is your carry case. It looks like a small pouch. You can see from inside there's like an extra space where you can put in your cable, the 3.5mm jack cable, or the auxiliary cable. You can slot it in here, and also you could put in your charger, assuming you're traveling and you want to make use of it. Maybe you're traveling and on the way you run out of charge, you can always charge it somewhere. So that is our carry case with a small extra pouch inside where you can put in your charging cable and the aux cable. Now the next thing we're going to be looking at is the manual. In here you have the manual on how to set it up. You can see from here it's a full manual, and this manual comes in different languages. You have English, you have, I think there's German language as well, because the Sennheiser is more of a German brand. So you have like pictures on it on how to set it up. We'll be looking at that in a bit. And then also you have a safety manual. This one are just precautions that you have to take on how to make use of your Sennheiser wireless headphones and how to take care of them. So right now the next thing we're going to be looking at is our headphones proper. So I'm taking out the headphones now. Here you have your Sennheiser headphones. One good thing about the headphones are the fact that they are foldable, which makes it more portable, and it doesn't take up more space, assuming you want to put it even in your bag. They are foldable, unlike other headphones that are just straight and you can't be able to fold them. These ones are actually foldable. So if you look closely at this, you'll see here there's a power button, which also serves as a Bluetooth button. With this, you can be able to pair it up with any device. Once you click on it, just hold for about 3 seconds. Light turns blue and starts blinking. This is to indicate that it's already in the pairing mode for you to be able to pair it up with any device that is close by. Next to it is our 3.5 port, where you can plug in the headphone, the charging the auxiliary cable, assuming you're not making use of, if you're not using it wirelessly. Let's say you want to plug it into your Android phone or any other iPhone of an earlier version, let's say 6 or below, there's a port here for you to do that. And next to it is the USB-C charging port, where you can actually charge the headphones, and it's recommended you could charge for an hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours tops. When charging, normally once it runs out of charge, this light here always indicates red. Once it starts charging and it charges for a while, once it's full, the light here automatically changes to blue, just like what we are seeing right now, and it's blinking like this. It's already in the pairing mode, like I earlier said. And here, this button, it's also, like I was explaining, this is your USB-C port, which serves as your charging port to charge your headphones. And then directly next to it, you have the volume control button. With this, you can actually control your volume. It's a volume up, where you have like a small dot on this upper part is to increase the volume, and then this is to lower the volume. And directly next to that, we also have another small button, which you can see here. You can either push it up and down. You can push the button up and down. With this button, it serves as a button to skip tracks. You can either, once you push upwards, is to move to the next track. If you take it downwards, is to move to the previous track that you are listening to. And once you press just once, is to pause. It's to either pause the track. Okay, so this button serves to increase, to skip to the next track, or to move to the previous track, and then also to pause your music or whatever you're listening to, be it a video or audio. And with this same button, the good thing about it is it's a multi-purpose button, because with this you can also take calls. Assuming you have an incoming call, with this button, a click once automatically pairs this up with your mobile for you to be able to take your calls, assuming it's already in the Bluetooth mode. And also to end the calls, you just need to click on this once and it ends your calls. This same button, assuming you want to reject a call, let's say there was an incoming call and you don't want to take it, you just need to press down on this button for 2 seconds, and it's going to automatically reject the call or whatever call that was coming in. Next to it is our voice control button. With these, for those who are making use of Android, you can use this for Google, and for those who are making use of iPhones, you can use this for your Siri command. Assuming you want to take calls or you want to call someone and you don't want to scroll through your phone, once you press on this, the Siri command is automatically activated, and then you can say whatever you want Siri to do for you. So that is that about our buttons on these headphones. One good advantage about these headphones is the fact that it's got the ANC feature. What do I mean by the ANC feature? This is active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation, with that, assuming you're listening to music, it automatically mutes your surrounding noise or whatever is playing around you, and all you hear is what is coming out from the headphones, whatever you're listening to. That is the good thing about noise cancellation, because it brings about the clarity of the sound, and then it mutes all surrounding noises around you. The headphones are very comfortable, and they are adjustable as well. You can actually adjust depending on the size of your head. And then the foams here, they are very comfortable. They are not hurtful to the ears. So these are headphones I will be recommending for anyone who is into music and who loves reading with music, and you do not want any kind of distraction, or if you're going for your job you want to jog or you're working out, the headphones are good because they're also water resistant, so, and sweat resistant, assuming you're working out and you start sweating in your ears and all of that. This foam has been designed such that water can penetrate into it. So I strongly recommend this for those who love working out and those who love listening to music. It's got a good bass and the sound clarity is so good, so good. So I recommend this for those who are into music. Right now I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Sennheiser 450BT headphones to a mobile. And the mobile I'm making use of here for the demonstration is an Android phone. So you go through your settings. You see here you have device connectivity. You click on device connectivity. You go to Bluetooth. You see here, once it's blinking, once the headphones are blinking, you remember earlier I told you needed to click on this, the power button, which also serves as your Bluetooth connecting button. So once you click on that and the light starts blinking like that, it shows you that it's active and ready to pair. So all you need to do is you check through the devices that are found under your Bluetooth visible devices, and here you find your HD450BT headphones. So all you need to do is to click on it. You see it's about to pair. So here it shows you connected for calls and media audio. Remember I told you earlier you could use this, it serves both purposes. You can use it for calls, you can use it for videos, you can use it for music and anything you want to do with it. So now it's paired up, you can now continue to listen to your music. Thank you once again for watching. That will be it about our Sennheiser headphones. Remember, you are on to Kilama TV. Subscribe, like, share your comments in the comment section. Thank you. See you in our next video.